Hi everyone, bit of a different angle this afternoon. I'm a bit excited because I've got a bit of an afternoon where I've got lots of testing booked in, and one of the things that I love about naturopathic testing is that it shows what's going on in the body right now, which seems like a very obvious thing, but when we are doing things like looking at your blood, in real time, so taking a drop, looking at it on the microscope, and I'll do one of those for you one day. It shows us what's going on with the red and white blood cells at this moment. So therefore, if we see signs of viral infections or bacterial infections, or signs that there are high levels of parasites with, say, eosinophil levels, or signs of allergies with high eosinophil levels, we sort of can actually determine what is really going on in your bloodstream at that moment, which is really cool. So we can see signs of inflammation, things like leaky gut. There are signs that have fibrin. Fibrin is a sticky substance, looks like spiderweb in the blood. So with the live blood, I really love that you're sort of getting in there and really nutting out some of the underlying causes for people having issues. I also love the Oligoscan. The Oligoscan is looking at mineral and heavy metal levels in your body. So with the Oligoscan, it's a palmar reading. So it's actually reading the whole way through your hand. So it's what's in your blood, your nerves, your lymph, your bones, your muscles. So not just in the blood like a blood test, not just in your poop like a poop test, not just in the urine. It's actually what's stored in your body right now. So if you're, say, working on your thyroid and your medications just aren't getting you feeling good and you have an Oligoscan, it can let you know where your iodine is. Just because you're on medication doesn't mean you've got good iodine levels, and iodine's important for so many functions in your body. Same with zinc. If your hormone issues are because of a zinc deficiency, say your testosterone levels are low, or you're not detoxifying estrogen, or you're not creating enough progesterone, all of those are zinc related. So if you have a low zinc level in the Oligoscan, that's a sign. You can go on the hormones till the cows come home. It's not going to fix your zinc deficiency. So the thing I love about naturopathic testing is that it really starts going, okay, what if I sort this out? How will my body be then? What will the real impact be? So, and also if you've got high copper, high zinc, that's a real combination that links in with things like polycystic ovaries and endometriosis and a lot of other hormonal issues. So, we check those things out and have a look and see where things are at. So anyway, naturopathic testing, I love it. Have a great day. Have a fantastic weekend. It's looking a bit gloomy here in Vegas, but I'm sure we'll get some sunshine. Okay, have a great weekend.